According to Warren Buffett, there's a 2-letter word that separates successful people from the rest, and that word is no. Say what? How can no be so important? What the Oracle of Omaha is teaching us is that time is very important. We all have the same number of hours in a day. Highly successful people know how to manage their time well. The ability to say no is key. While running your business or climbing the corporate ladder, it's easy to become a workaholic. In today's business environment, it's almost impossible not to do so. But what we need to remember is that self-care is important. Everyone needs to make time for their family, hobbies, rest, and relaxation. What we have to avoid is the risk of burning out when we're running our businesses and in our work life. In my negotiations class, I used to give an assignment where my students would go out and ask for favors. The purpose of the assignment was for students to ask for favors of friends, family, and coworkers to see how many times a person would say yes before saying no. The average amount of yeses per no's? Well, it was 7. In the United States, our culture is wired to help others, and we like to say yes. But as Warren says, time management and self-care are so important. We need to learn to say no. Well, that's it for today. So if you're interested in entrepreneurship and want to hear tips and tricks, like and subscribe, ring the bell to be the first to know when a new video drops. I'll see you in the next vid. Ciao.